Oh, who is Ireland's enemy? Not Germany, nor Spain, not Russia, France, nor Austria. They forged for her no chain, nor quenched her hearts, nor raised her homes, nor laid her altars low, nor sent her sons to tramp the hills amid the winter snow. Who spiked the heads of Irish priests on Dublin Castle gate, who butchered helpless Irish babes, the lust of blood to sate, who outraged Irish maidenhood and tortured 8 sires, and sped from Clare to Donegal the glare of midnight fires, who scourged her land in 98, sped torture far and wide, till Ireland shrieked in woe and pain and hell seemed far beside, who plied the pit's cap and the sword, the gibbet and the rack. Oh God, that we should ever fail to pay those devils back. Who slew the 3 in Manchester one drear November dawn, while round them howled in fury the devil's hungry spawn, who shattered many a Fenian mind in dungeons o'er the foam, and broke the loyal Fenian hearts that pined them at their home, who shot down Clark and Connolly and pierced the dawn of day, and Plunkett and McDermott and all who died as they, who robbed us of Sweeney brave, who murdered Mellows too, sent Barry to a felon's grave and slaughtered cattle crew. Not Germany, nor Austria, not Russia, France, nor Spain, that robbed and reaved this land of ours and forged for her a chain, but England of the wily world, a crafty, treacherous foe, 'twas England scourged her motherhood, 'twas England laid her low. Rise up, O dead of Ireland, and rouse her living men, and chance will come to us at last.